Hi there, I'm William Robbins. I'm the drummer for Intake and also Brook Ellen. I'm currently using the 5A Reach Collision Drumsticks, but I also use the 5A drumsticks. I really love the Collision brand because, they give opportunities to drummers who need endorsements, and also they're really durable and really nice to use. I'll be playing through one of my band Intake songs called Twist the Knife.